Welcome to Wax Sports Reviews. In this video, we're looking at the best gloves that DSC make, the Eureka Pros. Talking about the aesthetic of this, it's quite a minimal look to it with the white and gold of the Eureka. It's predominantly white with just a hint of gold over here and in the slits when you flex these gloves, which is a really cool detailing touch. The material throughout is also really well detailed with a lot of these textures on top, showing DSC's attention to detail and their commitment to offering you the best product for the price you pay. In terms of layout, it's a 4-piece split finger layout which offers you the best amounts of flexibility, and it's also a semi-shark tooth, which means every time you flex these, there's not a lot of gap left behind, which means that the ball doesn't strike you hard. Protection wise, front two fingertips of the dominant hand get plastic inserts. Everything else on the dominant and the non-dominant hand get these fiberglass inserts on them for additional protection, along with a lot of high density foam underneath the fingertips, which offers you a lot of cushioning. On the exposed area of the dominant and the non-dominant hands, you get these sidebar foams, which is quite a thick foam, offering you a lot of cushioning there, with slits in between, so it's easier for you to flex your hands. Also, since it's a top-end glove and offers you top-end protection, there's a 3-piece sidebar foam on the exposed thumb as well, so that you've got additional protection there. Something which a lot of other manufacturers tend to skip over, but DSC haven't, showing their commitment to detail. Heading off to the thumb, it's a 3-piece thumb with fiberglass inserts over it, and the gold highlights underneath. And then at the palm, because it's a top-end glove, there's a really premium soft petard palm on this, which acts like dry fit, so it expels a lot of the sweat from your hands, making sure that these gloves don't go as crusty. And they're incredibly soft to start off with as well, so you don't have to spend a lot of time in the nets breaking them in. There's leather reinforcement at the edge of the palm so that the gloves don't split from here as easily, along with padding here so that you don't get blisters. For ventilation, there's an airflow gusset on either side of the thumb, which offers you supreme ventilation there, along with a golden Eureka DSC embossed Velcro tag with a DSC branded wristband towel over here, which is quite premium. All up, probably one of the best top-end gloves on the market, incredibly lightweight when you compare it to its peers in the Gun & Moores and the New Balance. So definitely a place where I'd put my money if I were in the market for a top-end glove. So if you're looking to get these, you can walk into one of our stores or get it online.